it just gets bigger as it goes along.
I hope so. The Moses fireworks. That was actually pretty cool.
Good. That one was pretty good, right?
Was that 2 minutes?
Taking it back, it was a minute and a half.
That
That was a minute 45, man.
I don't know, this one's a Texas double.
Can you see what you're doing?